Mr. OMA1N, I can see, is holding something. I can see his finger spread on it. He's holding his left hand, his right fingers were on the yeah, I could see you using it. I can see some script there. I can see that looks like WhatsApp 1455. I'm afraid I'm going to report you, sir.
Sorry?
I said I'm afraid I'm going to report you, sir, for using your phone whilst driving.
Okay.
I don't know why he's beeping. I think he knows I've caught you and you're in trouble.
Alright.
Please don't use your phone behind the wheel, sir.
Alright.
I'm going, don't worry. I hope your day gets better than this.
Alright.
Nice car.
Have a nice day.
You too. I'm going to come forward a bit here because I don't like how much the guy was sticking out.